Alright, this is a little clip before the video explaining on what you have to do and why you have to do these certain things. Let's just go ahead and tell you that you will need to download a link from WinPCAP for Windows 10, and what it will do is support Cain and Abel, because if you don't, it's going to say that the file is not supported or something like that, and it will be aborted. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Hey guys, Blur Roshi's here, and today I will be showing you guys how to run, download, and fix Cain and Abel for Windows 10. So of course, let's go ahead and start off by going to WinPCAP and download this right here. All you guys have to do is left click on it and run everything. Just install. Just click. Just keep clicking yes on everything, and yeah, that's it. After you guys download WinPCAP, you're gonna go straight to Internet Explorer, and go to the the Cain and Abel website right here. And if you guys can't find it, you simply just type in google.com and type in Cain and Abel. Once you guys go here, you're gonna left click the very first link. After you do that, you're gonna click the middle link once you get to the page, and you're just gonna let it download. After it gets done downloading, guys, I will come right back. Okay, guys, Cain and Abel is finished downloading now, and all you guys, well, not finished, it's finished downloading from down here, and then all you guys have to do is keep on, click run, and this will pop up. Click yes, and just wait for this. Oh, yeah. And then all you guys will have to do is keep on clicking next until this is finished right here. Once it's finished, you're literally gonna click finish, install, and it will say the version of Windows is not supported by WinPCAP 4.1.3. The installation will be aborted. You're just gonna click OK because the link right here is already downloaded, so it should be working. Okay, as you can see, Cain and Abel popped up, and don't be excited yet, because you still have to do some more stuff in order to fix Cain and Abel to work. So what you will have to do is right click on the bottom left corner right here. My bad for keep on moving the tripod because it's really close to the laptop. Like I said, you right click and you will go to, let's see, you go to network connections, double click on that. And then you're going to right click on the Wi-Fi you're using. If you're using Ethernet, obviously you would right click on that. If you're using wireless, just go ahead and right click on that and go straight to properties. Once you go to properties, you should see Internet Protocol version 4. Just go ahead and double click on that. Go to advanced, go to DNS, and usually this box at the bottom isn't checked right there. So just check it, click OK, OK, and do the same thing to version 6. Go to advanced, DNS. Usually this isn't checked, but you check it. You click OK, OK, and OK. Now you just have to exit out the program or network connections right here. Now you will be back at the home screen, and what you do is double left click on Cain and Abel. You're going to click yes. It will say window firewalls enable some Cain features will not work correctly. Just ignore that, guys. Honestly, it will still work the same, or get it to work at least on how you want to use it. So just click OK. Should load up and sorry guys, and go straight to sniffer, and there should be a sniffer button up here right next to the nuke sign. Go ahead and left click on that, and then click the blue plus sign. Once you first download it, you will click all tests. Now after it runs all tests for a while, my bad guys, after it runs all tests, you don't have to do that for the first time, guys. After you exit out this program and use it again, you just have to click OK. Don't check all tests or anything. So I'll get back to you guys once it's done testing. Alright, so now that all of the tests are done, you're going to go to the left hand corner and click APR button right here. Hold up. By the way, guys, you will want to remember your first or last digits of your IP for your router, and last digits for your Xbox, which is Microsoft, obviously. After you memorize them or do something about it, go to APR button on the left hand corner, left click anywhere on the top box right here, and click the plus sign. After clicking the plus sign, this should pop up. You're going to remember your router IP, your Microsoft or Xbox IP and click OK. I have 2 people in the party to help me. So let's go ahead and cover their IP, guys, and scan for it. 3 people are with me, and it's not my party. Well, 2 people are with me, and it's not my party. I'm the 3rd one, so 3 counting it all. It's not gonna show up my IP, guys, because I'm the one searching for all the others' IP, and this one I know for sure that's a 65 IP, and by that I mean that all 65 IPs, or most of them, are a server's IP, unless someone's IP address is actually 65, which I highly doubt that would happen. There's like a 2% chance that would happen. But yeah, those are the 2 people's IP. The one with the most packets is the host, and this is the other person in my party, and it doesn't have me. So after you guys do everything, or you're done using the program, go ahead and right click on the bottom one, remove all, and left click on this IP and remove it. Now that we're done using them for the video, you click yes, you go onto host, right click on it, and it should say remove all. Make sure you guys turn off the sniffer button right here, and you click X. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purposes only. That's it, guys. That's how you download Kane Enable, fix it, and use it. Please give it a like on the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment and also subscribe. I'll see you guys later. If you guys need any help, comment below. And it's your boy Blur Roshis.